In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Charles Schwab referral code. If you're looking to open a new Schwab account and want to avoid scams, here's the real way to do it. Schwab runs an official Refer a Friend program. You use a referral link or code during the application, and if you meet the funding requirements, you can earn a cash bonus. The amount you receive depends on how much you deposit, and it's all tied to the code you use at sign-up. Never pay anyone for a code and stick to trusted sources. The safest and most reliable method is to ask someone who already has a Schwab account. Any current client can generate a personal referral link from inside their account, copy it, and send it to you directly. Because this comes from Schwab's own system, it's the cleanest way to make sure your application is tracked correctly and the bonus is tied to your new account. If you can, use this route first. If you already have a Schwab account and you're trying to help someone else, you can create your own referral link to share. Just log in, find the Refer a Friend page, and copy your link or code. You can then give that to friends or family so they can apply through your unique referral, and you may be eligible for rewards when they qualify. This is a great way to keep it all official and transparent. You'll also see publicly shared codes on forums, deal sites, and social media. These often come from real users and can work, but use them with caution. They're not distributed directly by Schwab, so they may expire, fail to track, or show outdated terms. If you try one, make sure the application page clearly shows the referral offer before you submit, and keep a record of what you used. Never share personal information on random sites and never buy a code. Here's what the bonuses typically look like. Deposit $25,000 to earn $100, $50,000 for $300, $100,000 for $500, and $500,000 or more for $1,000. You need to fund your new account within about 45 days for the offer to count. Always check the current terms on Schwab's official site, since thresholds and timelines can change. A few crucial rules. This is for new Schwab clients only, and you must open an eligible account, such as a brokerage account or an IRA. Checking accounts don't qualify. Most importantly, you have to use the referral link or code during sign-up. You usually can't add it afterward. Follow these tips, stick to official sources, and you'll be set to claim your bonus the right way.